So students, in this video we will solve week assignment 4 of soft skill development. Okay. So in this assignment, in total of 15 questions are there. So let's solve one by one. Question number 1 is networking skills on social media do not involve making new friends. So options are true or false. The statement is true or false. We have to answer. So for question number 1, the answer will be false. Okay. The given statement are wrong. Question number 2 is relationships cannot influence our behavior, goals and attitudes. Is it true or false? So the given statement is again false. So for question number 2, the answer will be option B, that is false. Question number 3 is kinesics is a type of dash communication strategy used for conflict management. Is it non-verbal or verbal? So for this the answer will be non-verbal. Okay, kinesis is a type of non-verbal communication strategy used for conflict management. Question 4 is dash is a conflict which occurs between two or more members of the same group or team. So options are intergroup conflict, intra-group conflict, international conflict or none of the above. So the answer will be option number B, that is intra-group conflict. Okay. Question number 5 is an assembly or collection of people is not considered as a group unless it has a dash proper workplace, good behavior, decent communicating ability or common goal. So for this the answer will be common goal. An assembly or collection of people is not considered as a group unless it has a common goal. Okay. Question number 6 is which stage of group development in the Tuckman model groups are marked by a more serious concern about task performance and the triads begin to open up and seek out for other members in the group, forming, adjourning, norming or storming. So the answer will be it is norming. Okay, that is option number C. So for question number 6, option C will be the answer. Question number 7 is in Fisher's model of group progression, in which stage the group recognizes that it is reaching consensus and explicitly consolidates that consensus to complete the task. Options are reinforcement, orientation, emergence and conflict. So the appropriate answer for this question will be option number A, that is reinforcement. Okay. Question number 8 is which of the following are the characteristics of a group? Formal social structure, unconventional goals, competitiveness or none of the above. So for this question the answer will be formal social structure, that is option number A. So for question number 8 the answer will be option A, formal social structure. Question number 9 is which factor plays an important role in the self-disclosure stage of formulating a relationship? Option A is relationship potential, option B is trust and mutual exchange of thoughts, option C is given information and option D is all the above. So for question number 9 the answer will be trust and mutual exchange of thoughts, that is option number B. So the appropriate answer will be option B. Okay. Question 10 is identify the stages in the formation of a relationship. Acquaintances, groundbreaking, rapport building, exploration. So options are only A and D are correct, only B and C are correct, only A, B and C are correct, all A, B, C and D are correct. So the answer will be for this question is option A, that is A and D are correct. Acquaintance and exploration are correct for this. Okay. So students, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel for getting upcoming week answers. Like the video and please share it with needy ones. Okay. 5 more questions are remaining, so let's solve it. Question number 11 is which of the following formal groups are created by the organization to accomplish some specific goals within an unspecified time frame. Okay. Options are command groups, interest groups, functional groups or task groups. So the answer for this question will be option D, that is task groups. Okay. Question 12 is which of the following sentence is incorrect. So we have to choose the incorrect one. There are 3 statements given below. The options are or statements are the goals and objectives of interest groups are specific to each group member and may not be related to organizational goals. Option B is the members of interest groups may not be part of the same organizational department, but they are bound together by some other common interest. Option C is the interest groups usually continue over time and also last longer than general informal groups. Option D is none of the above. Okay. So the answer will be for this question is option D, that is none of the above, because all the statements that are given in option number A, B and C are correct. Okay. So we have to choose here incorrect one. So the answer will be option D, that is none of the above. Okay. Question number 13 is fill in the blank. So we have to fill this blank. Dash are formed by members who enjoy similar social activities, political beliefs, religious values or other common bonds. Okay. Options are friendship groups, task groups, functional groups, interest groups. So the answer will be interest group. Okay. That is option number D. So for question number 13, option number D will be the answer. Question number 14 is consider the following statements. We have to clarify the statements are true or false. Okay. True means correct or wrong. The statement A is homogeneous social groups in social network sites can lead to confirmation bias among the members by reinforcing similar points of view. And statement B is extending one's identity through fabrication in the digital platform can be liberating for marginalized communities that face unjust social taboos. So options are both A and B are correct. A is correct but B is wrong. B is correct but A is wrong. Both A and B are wrong. Okay. So the answer for this question will be statement A and statement B. Both are correct. Okay. So that is option number A. Both A and B are correct. Last question. So let's solve it. Which of the following is not affected by social media algorithms? Misinformation, information overload, personalization, filtering out information. So the options are only A and B, only D, none of the above. So the answer for this question will be none of the above. Okay, that is option number D. Let's submit it. So viewers, please subscribe the channel and share it with needy ones. Thank you.